Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a no makeup look because I'm bored and I have some free time to do something, so I'm going to do this. Because why not? So I'm just gonna get started. All of the products that I will be using will be in the description below. I have a really funny story that I was gonna save, but I might as well just say it right now. So I first came to Tennessee in October. So this is when this fiasco, I believe, happened. I think we went to Nashville in the morning and then we went back home and then we went back to Nashville. When we were coming home from Nashville, we were getting off the exit and we were waiting because there was a light at the exit. So we had to wait to turn right because there were like a bunch of cars in front of us. In the corner of my eye, because we were like really vigilant that day, I guess. In the corner of my eye, I see this man hauling, like speeding down the exit. And I guess he was swerving a little bit. So Nick was like looking at him. I was looking and I'm like, Nick, if you don't make this light, or if you don't get away from this man, you better start driving into the field to get home. You need to off-road this car and just not even bother driving in the road. Just get onto the dirt and start driving home. Luckily, the light turned green. We went right and then we were driving home. And we were heading up to the intersection to get to our neighborhood, and then we see the car, the crazy car, turn into the pub near our house. And then we were home for like an hour just relaxing, as you do when you go home. We were relaxing for like an hour or two, and then we get back on the road. We were gonna meet a guy in Nashville to go pick up a computer. We get on the highway heading to Nashville. This is probably like 10 minutes on the highway, like 15 minutes, and it takes us like about 50 minutes to get to Nashville or like the surrounding Nashville area. Tell me why we look behind us and we see crazy car again. Tell me why, because I don't understand. I really don't understand. I really don't. We see crazy man driving, okay, crazy car man driving. He is speeding, like tailgating people, speeding, braking real hard, swerving into the shoulder and everything, like just chaos. He was, I think, behind us for like a good 5 minutes in the fast lane. And so I was like, me and Nick are freaking out because we were like, we're gonna get into a car accident with this man like very quickly. I was telling him, I was like, we gotta get out. So he goes into the slow lane. My husband and I go into the slow lane and we let him, crazy car, drive in front of us. So they're in the fast lane and they just drove in front of us, and then we went back into the fast lane as they were continuing to drive. And then we felt like free. We were like, thank goodness he's like out of our hair, because it's very scary. So I was looking out the window, enjoying the view, and then I see this man start pointing. The slow lane, he was just pointing out like towards something. I look, crazy man, crazy car. He got into a car accident, okay? It was pretty bad. He hit a Porsche. She was in the shoulder next to the slow lane. If there is one shoulder or two shoulders, I don't know. She was there. Crazy man is in the ditch in the median by the fast lane, and he hit a tree. But yeah, that was the story of crazy man. I thought it'd be very interesting. Pretty much what I had to deal with for a good 30 minutes. And bet you he got into the car accident, I think it was 11 in the morning. It was 11 or 11:30, because I looked at the time, because me and my husband were like, he either is high or he is drunk, which is hence the whole he went to the pub. And that's when we realized he was drunk, like he was severely intoxicated. Also, he bought the car that day, or bought it recently, because it did not have plates. It only had the car carmex like temporary plate or whatever. He did not have plates, okay? It was a brand new car, ruined it. But yeah, that's literally the end of the story. I don't do eyeliner like at all because it's not my thing and I'm not really good at it. So we're just gonna skip it, but I'm just gonna use 2 of my mascaras. I think that should be it. I really don't know. We're gonna let that dry and then I'll do another coat. I'm just gonna put my carmex. I don't know what this is called. I now remember what I forgot. That was my eyebrows. But yeah, everything I use, I'll like post it. I just saw a loose pit bull just run across my front lawn. But yeah, that is it for this video of me doing this look and talking about a crazy driver that I had to experience and almost die or feel like dying because the anxiety I had felt with this man driving like a lunatic behind us was a lot. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will try to post as much as I can. It's been difficult because I do work full-time as like a babysitter nanny, so it's kind of hard. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. So yeah, bye!